Welcome back to Liam's Game Time. Today we have Simba. He's just kind of scary. He follows stuff. Like whoever he sees last, he'll follow it. But that's not what we're doing today. So we got Lawson here and me. So we're gonna go play again. My shoes on. I'm just riding my bike. Okay. Going up a different hill. If you have extra weight, hop on that and pedal with me. If you have if you have a real bike and you have something you can put your phone in, or if you're on a TV, don't bother. So my brother will be riding his bike. I will be riding mine. But he's not going to be with us in this video today.
What? My seat.
Okay.
What happened? My seat.
Okay, here we go.
What happened?
It does that. Get Daddy to help you. Okay, here we go. I'll twist you through it. Hey, I know you can't see my face. Yeah, I'll change you up in 1 second. I'll get you pointing it either at my face or the other way. I'm going to try to get you pointed this way. You guys like it like that? Yeah. So, we're just going to talk on my biking. We're going out of Brookdale Lane. We're gonna go into some different videos. Different neighborhoods. Guys, I'm just sitting here. I'm walking my bike right now. You guys can see some stuff. People's nice house. Covering you guys for a second. Trying to. Stuff up here you're not allowed to see, and I don't know how to blur stuff. Comment down in the section below how to blur stuff. I have no idea how to. Okay. Ooh, my shoe. My shoe. I'm wearing Crocs on my bike right now. Got a pretty stop sign. That is mostly just a biking video. Exercise bike, like I said. Sit on that, put your phone down, watch. You guys have to tell me how to see who my subscribers are. Subscribe if you did the whole thing by pedaling on either a bike, watching me, or exercise bike. Here we go. I'm gonna ride down the road. Down this hill. Pretty nice cars over here. One hand. Okay. We're just going around this neighborhood. Nice stuff around here. I love my neighborhood. It is actually not that big. Not as big as some people's. Wow, a hawk. Couldn't point you guys at it because you're in my bike. I'm not holding it. Okay. So this place reminds me of when I got lost. This part of my neighborhood. Once I got lost. Well, I didn't get lost here. At my neighbor's house. This looks exactly like it. I got lost. There's a house around here. Looks exactly like one. He had a little pretend hockey court. That he let me play on for a little bit. But I got lost. So it wasn't a bad, really good fun day. It wasn't a really fun day for me. There's a hawk again. Why are there so much hawks around here? I've never seen a hawk in my neighborhood before. Okay. Going around with you guys. Walking in my neighborhood. House for sale. Pretty. Really pretty. Mom lives there. Not gonna be able to come to my house here. If you want to, because you're not gonna be able to. That was dumb. Okay. Well, when I was in kindergarten, it was my first day. I got scared. There were 2 other classes, but then met a friend named Holden. He left for 2nd grade. And his mom was my teacher last year, so at least I got to meet her. And yeah, he left my school. He was my best friend. Now I have another one. New one, Zachary. So I still miss them. But it's over. They're not there. I'm almost all the way around the neighborhood. Gotta take a little turn down here. I never went this far by myself on a bike. Parents were behind me. There wasn't a car behind me. I don't know. Many people I don't know. Somehow having got stolen. But pass here. Fast. Okay, I'm going to the other side. I don't have a bike. And there's so. Okay. First the car way out. More future videos. Yeah, so you have to post in the comments how to blurb stuff, and in the comments tell me how to check who my subscribers are, so I can send you the goodie bag. Here we go. This is almost all the way around the neighborhood. Pretty proud of myself. Might go to my cousin's pool today. Pretty small. Got a girl named Josie. You saw her opening her mini brands. Chance to win Pringles. Judd. I'm gonna get him in one of my videos, but he's not in one yet. I'm gonna see if he wants to be in one. He someday will be on YouTube. I think he said his channel will be Judd's Dirt Bike channel. Judd Reagan. It's Dirt Bike channel. Josie saw in the mini band video. She's gonna be in some of them. You see her on the front page, press it, that'll be his channel. He's not on it. He's not on YouTube yet. But he really wants to be on YouTube. His mom's gonna let me sign him up for her channel Sunday. And ooh. Okay. And then first grade, pretty good year. This year Holden's leaving. But head to school. Best friends in my class 2 years in a row. Me and Zach. Best friends. This is the second year I'm going to be in his class. I'm almost home, so I'm headed toward my house. Friend's house, Cannon. Yep, almost home. Somehow I'm not even sweating. Oh, I got this. Good, you're not. Just kidding. Love my friend's dad. I was so kidding. Right there. Alright. Almost down home. That guy actually looks like a police, I don't know. But I have no idea who he is. Except for my friend's dad. Close your eyes for a second. I'll tell you when to open. 3, 2, 1, open. Woohoo! All the way around the neighborhood. This is fun. I haven't been around my neighborhood except yet. At least I got to do it with you.